Hello guys, as you know, now we have a big boy in AI LLM race called Deepseek R1. So let's do an advanced programming test with Deepseek R1. So my task is creating a simulation, uh, especially for in robotic side. We called mass solving robot simulation. So let's uh, see how it going to create this simulation from scratch, not using any game engine or something anything else, but with the HTML and CSS and JavaScript or something. So first thing I ask, so for more efficiency I just did the test and I'm going to explain you. So these models are thinking models, so it takes some times to think, as you call this chain of thought process. So it's good to uh, do the test and explain me later. Then we can just go through the code and see how it works step by step. Okay, let's start. So I just ask, can you create math solving robot simulation? So I didn't do any description, just ask. The thing is, it AI select the programming language as Python, but thing is, this Deepseek R1 chat platform have inbuilt HTML rendering support, so I don't want the code in Python. I just want the code in as a web app, so I can just click it and run and can see the result. So I just stop this generation and I ask, can you make a web app? Yeah. So it try to create the web app. So it's too nice thing because it defined an array. So this array is first I just run this. So this is a cute little button, run HTML. So you don't want to copy and paste into your IDE or something, just you can just run and see the result. Okay, so this is the mesh. So as you can see, so we can define this the mesh, and we can change this mesh changing this array. So there's a really good approach. We have flexibility to change the mesh as our needs. So looks like one called the walls, and two called the starting point, and three called ending point. So let's get started. Right, so we have speed parameter here and reset and start. So this is the start position, and this is the last end position. Actually the robot needs to go here from here. Let's see how it's going. Yeah, it's going to simulate it. So this kind of places we call dead ends. So if you go there, you'll never come back. So thing is, we have algorithms. So the thing is, Deepseek didn't use any algorithm. Maybe we have to mention it. So let's try it again. So just reset, and yeah, it's going to stuck. So then I ask, can you use left hand algorithm? So there are some algorithms called left hand and right hand algorithms. So these are the basics, and if you go advanced, there are Postman algorithm and Digistar algorithm. So it do some processing, thinking process. Okay, let's see how it going with the new approach. So it is stuck again. Yeah, so looks like not worked right. So okay, then I move to a so one thing is, uh, as the technical report of Deepseek, we want to explain it more with more information. So that is a challenging point for Deepseek. So if you need to solve a problem, don't be lazy like me. Just type anything you want and you do best description in your head to the input into the Deepseek, and then it will do the rest. So try try to enter the long commands and do the description, and then it get output the best result. As the technical report, you can, if you go to the last pages, you can see the challenges and they mention this thing, right? So I asked to the Deepseek, can you make 3D version? So this is some kind of tricky thing to do. So then it goes some thinking process. So looks like right. Let's try it. See the dependencies. Okay, so it uses 3js. So 3js is a library to create 3D scenes on the HTML. So it's a really cool library. You can use it for do 3D things. Okay, let's run it. Right, so you have the, so previously we had a 2D version, now we have 3D version. How cool is that? So looks like this is the first person view, so we don't have any controls to change the direction. So let's ask for that. Can you improve the visuals and also add the robot car? So let's do the, so I just want to make more appearance, not like we had 3D scenes. Wow, really cool. So we have real walls here. It's like, it's really cool. It's also found the right place. Cool. Nice thing is, so if you change this array, the 3D scenes also will change. So you can do the changing how your world need to place. So, and can change the starting point and ending point, so it will change. So really cool. It also got some assets from some example 3js project. It's really cool. Okay, so then I need some camera control. So these have a fixed camera. So let's see what it's doing. Looks like it's not happening here. So let's ask, can do the, can you give me the looks like it's not give the full code. We have to add the previous code here. So I just want the full code and then I can run in one go. Okay, really cool. Nice. So we can change the camera view. Cool. It's a nice thing. But you can see the wall, the flow and the wall just misplaced. Yes. Looks like it's going a weird path. Looks like there's something missing out of here. Speed, reset, and go. Yeah, looks like it's doing the right thing, but in visually there are misposition. So let's explain. Can you find bugs and so it's going to. Can you give you the complete code? So one thing we have to remember, if you run it in the same place, can you give me the complete code please? Okay, so thing is code is growing, and okay, looks like didn't resolve the bug. Then I have to explain robot running path and wall position misaligned. Can you fix that? And there are long thinking process, nearly 1 minute, more than 1 minute actually. Okay, let's try to run it. Sorry, I need the complete code. Looks like it fixed the misposition, but robot doing weird things now. Let's increase the speed and try it. It's going somewhere, but robot also misplaced. Is still robot going through walls. Can you fix and give me the complete code? And it thinks more than 2 minutes. Let's see what happens. Yeah, looks like it didn't fix that. Yeah, it's still misaligned. So I'm fed up with this asking for misalignment. No, actually, I'm joking. Just we can ask for more and explain it in detail. We can fix that. So looks like it's really good. So without any game engine, we successfully created a mesh solving algorithm, mesh solving simulations. That's it, really good. So you can create games with that, and yeah, it's really cool. So nice thing, but so one drawback is, so these models just thinking, as you see, these things more than 2 minutes. So in future maybe, so if we give AI model to a complex task, so as example, can you resolve this equation in quantum computing, and can you give me do the research and find a new algorithm for that? So maybe it will takes days or weeks, and found the result and come back to you, and then you got the solution. So like that. So as we humans also doing some researching and get some times to resolve complex problems, so we can't do it in few seconds or few minutes. So we also doing so as so as example, when you uh, when you doing your PhD, it's a maximum gets 5 years. So you are researching on one topic and going deeper into that topic and do a really good finding on that field or that research topic. Like that, this AI model can be do that, but I don't think it will get 5 years, maybe 1 week or 2 weeks or maybe one day. And so this can be happen in future models. So it's not a problem, because some problems are really complex, and for the same task the human can spend more than years or sometimes decades. So in future AIs can resolve it weeks or 2 weeks. So it's not a really bad thing. It's really good thing to have AI like that. So let's see what's going on in future, and I will see you in another video like that. So hope you enjoy this video, and I suggest you to create some. You can try your own simulation of creating a nice experiment with these AI. So these are free, so people invest millions of dollars, and as we as the users can try these things free. So that's a really good opportunity for us. So try it and get your result and impress. uh, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I will see you again with another video. So bye for now, see you.